Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, fractal Bitcoin.
Oh, forget it.
I'm telling you, welcome to today's Bitcoin news video. This channel is about Bitcoin. It's about the collapse of fiat currencies, but mostly it's about your future prosperity and, of course, the prosperity of your family. Let's get right to the price. Bitcoin right now, yeah, it's a red day. We're right at 62,620. These are daily candles you're looking at. And yeah, yesterday we came down to the same area, but then we jumped back up. But today we came back down and it's okay. You know, I mean, well, we're going to talk about the global fiat markets are dumping heavily. They're in trouble today. And Bitcoin is, you know, holding relatively steady. Yeah, and this is a graph I wanted to show you, the Bitcoin cycle ROI from the low. So you can see here the green trend, the green line is last cycle. The yellow line is the cycle before that. And this pink line is us right now. And you can see we're pretty much above the other two. So we're right on schedule. We could go sideways more, but you know, eventually we're going to hit the bull run and definitely go up. Benjamin Cowan here says, despite the choppiness since March, Bitcoin is still ahead of where it normally is at this point in the cycle. If this price action continues, then we should be back in line with prior cycles by October. Yeah, and what he means is we'll be cruising up as we did in prior cycles. That's good. And here's the Bitcoin dominance, excluding stable coins, and it's at new cycle highs. So this is good. Bitcoin dominance goes up in a bull run. So this is right in line with what we should be doing. Yep. So that's good news as well. And yeah, here's Max Kaiser. I just love this quote. I wanted to show you this. This is from 2019. But his quote is, "You can't stop gravity. You can't stop math. You can't stop Bitcoin." And that's literally true. It's just beautiful. Max Kaiser's a beast. Let's go. And here's the Van Eck CEO saying that Bitcoin will hit $2.9 million per coin when central banks adopt it. I mean, look. I mean, we don't hear this very often, but this is very, very bullish. Yeah, it's bullish. More bullish news. Yeah, MicroStrategy is to raise $2 billion to buy more Bitcoin. What a legend. Yeah, all the big guys are loading up and buying, so don't get shaken out. In fact, you know the rule. You do not sell your Bitcoin. Originally said by the guy you see on the screen, that's Michael Saylor. Also said by Trump last week, right? But he was quoting Michael Saylor, but yeah. And this is not financial advice. Thank you. All right. More adoption news, breaking news. Morgan Stanley becomes the first bank to let wealth advisors pitch Bitcoin ETFs to clients. It's from CNBC. Yeah, so boomers are coming. Everyone's coming into the space, right? Yeah, this is happening soon. I think it's not happening right away, but very soon they're going to start allowing this. This is huge because this is all these wealth advisors are going to start telling their clients, yeah, you know what? You need about 3% or 5% of your portfolio in Bitcoin. And then they're all going to buy Bitcoin. Wow, bullish as anything. And here's a woman, let me rewind it. She's in Finland, and I'm going to mute it. We don't really have to hear it. But yeah, this is a woman in Finland, and look, here she goes. She's paying with Bitcoin at a restaurant in Finland. I've always wanted to go to Finland. I don't know why. I mean, I don't know even what's in Finland, but here you go. Here comes the person behind the counter is typing in the amount. There's the QR. She scans the QR code and comes up in her app and she hits pay and it takes a few seconds. This is actually taking longer than normal. What was that, like 5 seconds or three or 4 seconds? That's like longer than it normally takes. But yeah, Bitcoin adoption coming. All right, subscribe to the channel while you're thinking about it if you'd like to. I'd appreciate your support of my channel. I'm trying to grow my channel. And if you could let anyone else know about my channel, that'd be great. And let's get into some fiat and government nonsense for context because Bitcoin solves these issues. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Michelle Weekly says, I hope you're saving in Bitcoin because this is breaking today. $2.9 trillion wiped out from stocks this morning due to fears of a global recession. The worst day since the 2020 COVID crash. Look at this. This is insane. I mean, it's not really insane. We know this is coming, right? We know a huge market crash / correction is coming. And yeah, Bitcoin's a way to avoid that. Yeah, this is what's happening today. I don't know why I love this one. It's just great. Yeah, and here's the Fed's soft landing, by the way. This is the economy burning. Even before it crashes, it's burning. Yeah, and Janet Yellen wants $3 trillion per year for the climate crisis. What a joke. Oh my God. Yeah, that comes to 75 trillion, 150 trillion, including what the UN is demanding. Meanwhile, a new study finds CO2 emissions now have zero impact on warming. Yeah, they just make more trees. Yeah, it grows trees, and then the trees, use the carbon and give out oxygen. You know how it works. Yeah, the climate crisis, one big scam. That's it. That's the news. All right, and here's an app which tracks politicians' investments, including Nancy Pelosi. You see here the Nancy Pelosi tracker. Yeah, because for some reason, these politicians, they get into office and they have, just probably as much money as you and me, just normal. And then after a few years, they have $30 million. And then after that, they have $60 million. AOC was a bartender, and now she's worth $30 million or something. How does it happen? Well, they get inside information and they trade, and it's a big con. It's a big game, and you're not in it. But now this app, it's called Autopilot, it lets you track what Nancy Pelosi's investing in, and probably others too. So, yeah, they have the inside scoop. It's completely unfair. I don't know why we allow this. I mean, we allow it because these idiot government officials are the ones who make the laws. And so they say, okay, politicians are allowed to trade. And it's they vote for themselves to have the opportunity to do this, to scam the American people. It's a one big scam. Wow. All right, here's Kamala Harris in one lesson. We're not going to watch this, but Michael Malice is great. This is him on Joe Rogan. This video is 2.5 minutes long. This is great. Oh, it's just so great. I would play it, but I don't want to really talk too much about Harris and whatever, the election, whatever. But meanwhile, somewhere in California, RoboCop 1.0 enters the room. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, RoboCop, there you go. Look at this. This is coming to a city near you. Oh my God, that's insane. All right, anyway. Now here's a clip from Trump today saying, it's about paying off the U.S. debt. Quote, we'll hand them a little Bitcoin and pay off our $35 trillion. Yeah. And the post here is, Trump is more bullish on Bitcoin than most Bitcoin maxis. Now, I don't know if this is true. I mean, look, this is whatever. I'm just showing, this is news of the day, right? You got to know that this clown world is happening. But yeah, very weird. But yeah, start a family, end the Fed. Let me make this bigger. There you go. Start a family, end the Fed. I love it. Let's go for families. Let's hear it for families. All right, now this is important to understand. You have to do your bit. Run a Bitcoin node. Yeah, you can. It's actually not hard. I don't know if you know, you just buy a Raspberry Pi. I bought a Start9 server, and I'm running a Bitcoin node. It takes 2 clicks. And that way me and my node are helping to support the Bitcoin network infrastructure around the world. It's beautiful. We need more people to run nodes. The more, the better. That's what I'm really saying. So if you'd like to run a node, you can. It's not hard. Oh yeah, by the way, have you heard? The clearest UFO video in history was filmed in Brazil. Yeah, this is brand new. Look at that. Yeah, look, is it real? Who knows? And look, the object appeared to have landing gear, but it vanished later in the footage. Anyway, look, I am the leading news outlet for UFO news. So that's why I'm bringing you this, okay? And here is a dog with a very important message. Stop cutting treats into smaller treats. Exactly. And here's a guy. He just bought a new Jeep. He named it Elizabeth Warren because it's all white, but it says it's a Cherokee. Oh, God.
Oh, forget it.
I'm telling you. Oh, yeah. Elizabeth Warren humor. Yeah. And here, I don't know what religion this is, but I'm interested. Yeah. Look at this. This is awesome. Look at this cat. He's like the greeter. He's like, he puts his hand on everybody's head, I guess. That's just what he does. All right. I like it. Let's go. This is our website, fractalbitcoin.com. All of our episodes and everything's here. But on the top here, you see this link, join our locals community. Click that link and come and join our locals. It's free. We're growing a community over here. I post exclusive short videos over here, especially on the weekends. Like I just post little shorts and stuff. So yeah, come hang out with us. And it is Friday, so enjoy your weekend. But you might enjoy subscribing to this channel. And if you're on Rumble, follow the channel. I appreciate all you guys. I appreciate all your support and comments and all the information you give in the comments as well. So enjoy your weekend. You need the weekend to refresh and recharge. Go do something fun. Enjoy life, right? Enjoy life while you can. So let's go. I'll see you Monday for another Bitcoin news video. All right. See ya.